Exercise 5.2. First question, add writing like terms in a column. A cube separately, A cube, B cube separately, A square B separately, and A B square in the separate column. Then we simply add them according to their signs. We have the answer minus A cube B plus A square B plus 2AB square plus 3B square. In A cube we nothing write because A cube the terms of the coefficient cancel each other. Next, subtract P from Q. First we write P or Q from, after the from word the equation first we write. So we write here the Q equation first and then P. In subtraction we always change the sign of the second equation. So we change the sign plus sign with the negative sign, and then with the negative sign A cube minus A cube 0, so we cannot write it, and minus with 3 and minus with 2 we add, then we have minus 5A square B. Again 3AB square minus 3AB square cancel, and B cube minus B cube and minus B cube equals to minus 2B cube. Question number 3. Find the value of x minus 2y plus 3z, where x is equal to 2a cube minus 2a square minus a cube plus 3a plus 4, and y and z as it is. We just put the value of x, y and z in the given, but when we put the value of y, we first multiply it by minus 2, then we put the value of z, we multiply it plus 3, and then we first putting like terms together and the operation is performed, which is addition or subtraction. Question number 4. The sum of two polynomial is given. If the one polynomial is this, then find the other. The sum of two polynomial is this and one polynomial is this. So just simply we subtract the, if we have the answer 2 plus 3 equals to 5, then again we 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So as it is, we subtract the sum, subtract the one polynomial from the sum of two polynomials. Then we have the answers 2x plus 2xy minus y square minus 3. Question number 6. Find the product of the polynomial. As we have in the examples, the first method is horizontal method and the second is thus vertical method. In horizontal method, first we write x and the next equation, then we write plus 3 and next equation. In the vertical polynomial, we have the columns of x4, x cube and x square. Then we just simply add them. Question number 7. If p is equal to this, y is equal to another equation and r is equal to another equation, we have pq. Here we have the product, just simply p and q multiply, q and r multiply, p and r multiply, and p q r. Here just one part is solved, p q r. First we here can multiply the q multiply by r, and then its answer must be multiplied with p. So we have the like terms separately, and again we have the subtraction or addition. So the answer is minus x cube y cube minus x cube z cube plus x4 yz minus y cube z cube plus xy4 z plus xy z4. Question number 8. Simplify. Here we have the division. Next is the division. There are two methods of division. First is simple division and next is this division. We have simply division. We have here the variable have power 5. So 4a square must be multiplied with this number which have equal to the variable power 5. So 4a cube square multiplied with 4a cube. Here 4 multiplied by 16 and a square multiplied by with a cube have a5. Then we subtract, as in simple division we subtract and change the sign. For subtraction we must change the sign. Question number 10. The product of two polynomial is this. If one polynomial is this, then find the other. If we have the product of two polynomials and one polynomial, then we simply division. The product must be divided by the other polynomial, which is first polynomial. The second polynomial is the answer 2y minus 1. Question number 11. For what value of p polynomial becomes exactly divided by when we divide it by x minus 3. So when we divided it, we have the remainder p minus 0. The remainder must, in every question, the remainder must be equal to 0. So we let it p minus 9 equals to 0 and plus p minus 9. Here the 9 have the negative sign, but when we have 0 plus 9, we have again the answer p is equal to plus 9. So we can easily find the value of variables just as p is equal to 9. Review exercise 5. 4 options are given against each statement. Encircle the correct one. First, 4x plus 2y plus 3z is an algebraic expression. Second, the alphabet which we can assume different values is called variables. Third, in equation there are variables. There are 3 variables x, y and z. 4. To represent variables we use alphabets. A to z we use the alphabets. Fifth, an algebraic expression can contain the numbers, variables and operation. The numbers, variables variables are basically the alphabets A to Z and operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 6. 2x minus 2 is not a polynomial because x power is minus 2. So when we have the power in negative, it's not a polynomial. 7. In 3x square plus 2x minus 1, the degree of polynomial is 2 because the highest degree of x is 2. Next, 8. In a polynomial, the number multiplied with the variable is called a coefficient. The polynomial 3x square is quadratic because the power is 2. Biquadratic algebraic expression is a polynomial of degree 4. Question number 2. Indicate polynomial and their degree of the following table. Here we have different algebraic expression. In first, it is a polynomial and degree of polynomial is 1 because the power of x is 1. In next, it is not a polynomial because k have the power of minus 1. So, if not a polynomial, so we cannot write its degree of polynomial. Third, minus 9. Minus 9 is a polynomial but its degree is 0 because it have no variable. Fourth, 2c4 plus 5b plus 6 by 7 is a polynomial and its degree, highest exponent degree is 4. So, degree of polynomial is here 4. Thank you.